In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Bluehost account. So, if you're ready to free up some digital space or simply need a change, let's go through this process together. First, it's important to note that deleting your Bluehost account isn't as straightforward as doing it through the dashboard. Unfortunately, Bluehost doesn't provide a direct option for account deletion or cancellation from within their regular dashboard setup. This might seem a little inconvenient, but don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the alternative method. The primary way to initiate the deletion of your account is through the live chat service on their website. To begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official Bluehost website. Once you have the page loaded, look for the Contact Us or Help section, which is usually located at the bottom of the homepage. You'll find various methods to reach them, and live chat is a quick and effective option. Click on the live chat button, and you'll likely be prompted to enter your account details to verify your identity. Make sure you've got this information handy, like your account username and password, or you might be asked for the email address associated with your account. These steps help secure your account from unauthorized changes, so it's good to have this information ready. Once you're connected with a representative, clearly express that you want to terminate your account. You can simply type something like, "Hello, I would like to delete and terminate my Bluehost account." It may help to explain your reason briefly, but rest assured that you are not obligated to justify your decision at length unless you're comfortable sharing. Often, they'll ask some verification questions or try to offer solutions to retain your business. They might suggest alternatives like pausing or downgrading your plan, especially if your reason for leaving is a temporary situation. Feel free to stand firm but respectfully in your request for deletion. Confirm that you'd like all associated data with your account removed, ensuring a clean and complete break. The representative will take you through any final steps or acknowledgments, ensuring you understand that account deletion is permanent and cannot be reverted. Once the representative confirms the process has been initiated, ask for any confirmation documentation that you can save, or request a follow-up email to verify that the account termination will go through as discussed. Finally, log out of any sessions linked to your Bluehost account and remove any stored passwords or access in your browser to ensure a clean closure of your association with Bluehost. And that wraps up our guide. Remember, always keep a backup of any important data before deleting accounts online to prevent any critical loss. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you seamlessly navigate the process of canceling your Bluehost account.